All right, we're here and we're here to play. Will you press the button again? Because I actually have fun. You become an expert in math, but you forget how to speak English. Yes, I'm pressing the fucking button, bro. If I forgot how to speak English, bro, it's okay. There's more languages on fucking Earth than just English. I want to be an expert in math. Yeah, I'm pressing the button. You can see into the future, but you can only see visions of death and cannot prevent your own death. Didn't we do this one yesterday? You can only see visions of death and cannot prevent your own. I mean, yeah, I mean, sure, but wait, that's it? I mean, well, I mean, shit. I mean, you just get to know. I mean, either you gonna know you die or you don't, right? And if I know, oh shit, I'm gonna die like 3 years from now, well, then I better live up my fucking life until 3 years come. And if I can't prevent it, I mean, there it is. Like, at least I know I got an expiration date. Like I'd rather have an expiration date. Anything you imagine happens, but you have no control. Every little thing you imagine, nah, it's not worth it. I think I saw Kiara answer that. Nah, it's not worth it. You become the best detective in the world, but there's an assassin after you that tries to kill you once a month. Okay, I'm the best detective in the fucking world. I'm the best fucking detective in the world. I'm gonna figure out who the fuck's trying to do it. And then when another one tries it, bro, I'm the fucking best detective in the world. I feel like you guys are underestimating yourselves. If y'all the best detective in the world, y'all better start doing some Bruce Wayne shit, because that's what I was like, I'm the best detective in the world, bitch, I'm Batman. Bitch, I'm Batman. What the fuck? Bang, bang, bang. We're gonna beat a motherfucking ass. What the fuck you talking about, bro? I'm the best detective in the world. Save your best friend's life, but you kill 5 random strangers in your area. Yeah, my best friend. Yeah. More people agree too. So it's like, yeah, that's my best friend. Fuck it, I don't know. My best friend. You can know whether aliens exist anywhere in the universe, but they will also know of you, okay? Bro, if they aliens and they already been to the planet, I might as well assume they already know who the fuck everybody is. The government already do. So what's stopping them motherfuckers? What the fuck? You have X-ray vision for the rest of your life, but you cannot turn it off. Then no. You become the ninja of your school. You become the ninja of your school, but you lose your best friend because of it. Bro, who came up with this fucking question? I guess I'm not gonna be the ninja. Holy shit, bro. The Force, Jedi, and lightsabers are real, and you become a Jedi. But the government will hunt you down with the goal of figuring out how your abilities and your lightsaber work. Nah, I'm good. Nah, I'm good. The superpowers ain't worth all that. It ain't worth the government. Fuck that. Nah, I'm good. I like playing video games. Fuck that. You receive $1 trillion, but you can't give any money to your friends, families, or charity. Okay. What's the drawback? You fucking tell me. You tell me. Holy shit, man. What the fuck? Oh my, and even if you wanted to be a good person with the money, you want to know how you get around this? Don't give the money to your friend. Just give it to a random person. And then tell that random person to give it to your friends and family. Just don't give them a lot. Fuck it, I got $1 trillion. Like, come on, bitch. I'll hire fucking goons. You become the smartest person on earth, but you have migraines that can't be cured. Fuck no, I don't want to be the smartest person on earth. Fuck no, I already deal with a bunch of idiots online. Fuck that. Your hair wouldn't get greasy. Your hair wouldn't get greasy, but you would have no nails. Bro, what the fuck kind of question is this? What? Y'all let me know. It's a woman question? Oh, okay. Well, I don't know. That is a woman question then. I'm like, what? You will go into the world of your favorite series, but you will not be able to interact with your favorite character. I mean, then it's just like, how good is the world? I'll take it. Fuck it. I don't get to talk to the... Okay, that's fine. You solve all world issues, no disease, poverty, or war, etc., and human advances by thousands of years. By thousands of years. But you will live in poverty. You are in... Yeah, no. Yeah, no. You find out you have the power of a Jedi, but you are Jar Jar Binks. Fuck no. I ain't trying to be that ugly motherfucker. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way, sir. You can erase humanity and all negative effects that will affect the world so that it can remain indefinitely. Bro, what the fuck? But you will remain alive and alone as a planet guardian with no physical form for all eternity. That sounds like a hassle. No, I'm good. That's a motherfucking, that's a job. That's a fucking job. I'm good. Nah, yeah, you basically, I'm good. That's a job. Your life goes exactly how you want, but you die in 5 years. Fuck no. Life don't go how you want it. Like, no, I'm good. Nobody dies anymore, but nobody procreates anymore. Damn. No, it's not no sex. It's no procreation. That means cream pies for everybody. You feel me? Cream pies for everybody. Let's go. Oh my God. I'm the only one present too. Like, I was in the negative. That's okay. You become the smartest man in the universe and have access to knowledge nobody else could possibly know. But when you try to talk Kanye West nah, fuck that. That's crazy. They said yeah. They said yes. Okay, sure, it's funny for the first maybe fucking hour. All the anime you watch is already translated in your preferred language. This is a weeb ass question. But you can only watch one episode per week. Okay, sure. That sounds fine to me. Oh, fuck. One episode a week, that's fine with me, shit. J.K. Rowling will write another great book. Bro, didn't she only make the Harry Potter series? But then she was forced to work with Stephanie Meyer and be forced to read all the disgusting fan fiction. Y'all let me know, because I don't even know what the fuck this question even means. J.K. Rowling will make another Harry Potter and she'll have to read porn of it. I don't give a fuck, I guess. You're given $10 billion with no condition on how to spend it, expecting that it can be donated to any person or cause freely. But if you cannot spend the full $10 billion within 3 days, your family tree will begin to die out from youngest to oldest until you spend it all. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, who came up with this shit? Bro, who made this? That sounds like a fucking interesting challenge that I would not like to partake in, personally. Oh my God. Buy whole stock, bro. 10 billion is a lot of fucking money. You would legitimately doom the entire human race with that much money. You would legitimately fuck over the entire human race with that much fucking money. That's a lot of fucking money. You can live forever, but have to die differently each day. What the fuck? Y'all some morbid motherfuckers. What the fuck? The girl guy of your dreams falls madly in love with you, but the closer and longer you are near them, the faster you age. Oh, fuck that. Fuck that. You have an IQ of 300, but your parents abandoned you at age 15 with nothing to give you. What the fuck? Okay. I don't think people understand what 300 IQ fucking means, bro. I don't think people understand what the fuck 300 IQ fucking means, bro. You have the power to teleport, but you accidentally the world. Wait, what? You have the power to you have the power that. Bro, I know I ain't having no motherfucking stroke. What the fuck? You have the power to teleport, but you accidentally the world. Man, I ain't pressing the button because I don't know what the fuck you asking me, bro. World peace is finally achieved, the energy crisis averted, and there is no more world hunger. But you will spend eternity moderating a fruitless debate, Tumblr feminists, and Reddit MRAs over bronies and overused memes in hell. What the fuck is this shit? Bro, we get into the weird side of this fucking website, bro. Who do they let make these fucking questions? Anybody? You can eat anything you want without getting fat for the rest of your life, but all fast food restaurants will get closed. Okay, that's fine. Fuck it. You can time travel, but you can only do it once a year. Okay. I mean, bro, that just sounds like a free fucking superpower. Am I the only one that's like, that's a free superpower? I can't do that now, bitch. Like, all iOS games are free and you can. You get $1 million, but you can never play any console game or use a console until you die. Bitch, a PC, what the fuck? Never have to work, but never allowed to go online. No. You can see the future, but you see anyone that's close to you death. You can see the future, but you see anyone that's close to you death. Bro. Bro, who are they letting fucking... I always... What the fuck? We already set, you know what? All right, that's the end of the button. Apparently we gonna fucking go in circles, bro. What is this shit? You can teleport anywhere, but every time you teleport, you must walk down a long highway full of creepy clowns that grope you. All right, bro. So that's the end of the button. We'll maybe play it again another day, because what the fuck was that?